old. I started baking with my mum and I did her cooking videos with her. And now I'm 8 years old and I have my own business. Wow. My business started when I was talking to this man called Ollie. He's my mum's friend, and I was like, I love to bake, and I was telling him like how I made a 3-layer cake, and he's like, wow, do you take requests? And I'm like, yeah, what cake would you like me to bake you? And he said, a carrot cake please, and I'm like, sure thing, coming right on it, Ollie. And he was originally going to pay me $5, but then he ended up paying me $15 because it was so dang good. Yeah. So then, when I was walking back with my mum, I'm like, oh my god, Mum, I just got the craziest, best idea in the universe. I could teach little girls and boys how to bake. Each week, once a week, I could join a Zoom call, they could join with me, and I can teach them how to bake everything because while other people order it, I make the videos and I give them the cake. I'll dedicate it to them and it'll be so much fun because what we can do is we can sing and dance, yeah, sing and dance, sing and dance, sing and dance, 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 dance. Yeah, while we do baking. Sorry, just messing around there. But it's not that easy. You have to convince your parents to be able to do it. So I'm going to give you some pointers and tips and what to say to convince your parents. Mom! Dad! Please, I really want to do Lucy's cooking show. It'll be so much fun. I'll be out of your hair for a whole hour. So you can have a bath, go for a bike ride, even do your work. You can even do all of them. Please. I'll be socializing, and that's really good for me. I'll make new friends. Don't you want the best for me, Mum and Dad? Don't you? Good. I'll learn new skills, Mum. I'll learn new skills, Dad. I can bake for you. If I learn how to bake, I can bake for you 24/7, breakfast, lunch and dinner. So then all you have to do is sit around and relax. Please, Mum and Dad, it's a no-brainer, I say. So once you've convinced your parents to sign you up, just click the button down below. It'll take you there and your parents can just sign you up straight away, ready to go. And I'll text you the Zoom meeting ID and recipes, and can't wait to see you there. Bye!